Asus ScreenPad Plus gives you alternative ways to improve your efficiency when working on your projects and workflows. ScreenPad Plus also provides you with a natural way to enter text. The handwriting app is an alternative way for you to input text if you don't want to type. You can now download languages supported by Windows. Tap the globe icon on the left and then tap Open in the handwriting language list. Follow the instructions on the main screen and download your preferred language. Now you can write in the languages you prefer. Explore all the different ways of interacting with ScreenPad Plus to input text, numbers, or shortcuts in a more efficient way.